Hello everyone, and welcome to the kickoff of our Summer Solar Design Contest. Here's an overview of the topics that I'm going to be talking about today. I will begin with an introduction to the contest, hit on who can participate and how, go over the rules of the contest, and then talk about how your contest submission will be evaluated. First, who are we? Cooperating with the Concord Consortium, the Department of Mechanical Engineering is conducting this contest. Dr. Shaw is a faculty member from the Department of Mechanical Engineering and is the principal investigator for this contest. Dr. Jay is a scientist from the Concord Consortium, a nonprofit educational organization located in Massachusetts. Additionally, we have 2 PhD students helping to run this contest. Next, why are we hosting this contest? The contest is a part of a research project to discover how a designer's cognition affects their ability to design in an engineering context. Your efforts in this contest are vital to our research, and we very much appreciate your participation. Additionally, we want to provide you with opportunities to practice design outside of the classroom. Through this design contest, you will learn knowledge about energy system design, which may even motivate you to consider this field as a potential career path. You can also develop innovative designs for solar energy systems, which will help you understand how solar energy is both generated and used. Finally, we also would like to draw public attention towards sustainable energy, an important topic in the development of a sustainable society. Now, the challenge that this contest is built on. We have developed a real-life design problem to inspire students' interest so that you can both enjoy the contest and find it relevant. Your challenge is this: design and deliver a solar energy system solution for the on-campus apartment complex, Pomfret Hall. We have built a realistic computer model based on this area of campus through a program called Energy 3D. You will use Energy 3D to design your solar energy system, but more on that later. For now, let's move on. Now, how can you win this contest? You will need to produce a computer-aided design solution to construct a solar energy system for Pomfret Hall. To accomplish this task, you will need to understand basic solar science knowledge, learn how to design a solar energy system using Energy 3D, analyze the design problem and identify the key design variables, produce conceptual design solutions, design a detailed scheme of rooftop solar panels and a layout of ground solar canopies on the parking lot with the objective of maximizing annual yield energy under a certain budget, and then finally submit your solution to us for judging. Now, what will you win for participating in our contest? All who participate and complete the contest in its entirety will be compensated. For participation, you will receive at least $5. However, should you produce one of the top 3 designs, you have a chance to receive up to $500. In addition to the monetary prizes, you will also gain valuable knowledge about solar energy system design and build practical engineering design experience. Next, let's discuss participation. Though it may sound complex at first, the challenge in our contest requires no experience in either design or solar energy. To help you along, we have developed detailed and explicit documents to guide you through completing the design. Therefore, as long as you are affiliated with the University of Arkansas, you are eligible to take part in this contest. Why should you participate in our contest? Again, through this contest you will gain knowledge and experience about solar energy system design, obtain experience in solving real-world design problems, and you also have the chance to both build your resume and win significant prize money. Here's a timeline for our contest. On May 14th, we will host the Design Challenge Kickoff, covering the same material as this video. On May 15th, the Design Challenge will officially begin, and we will release all of the needed documents on our website. On May 17th and 18th, one knowledge support session to give you additional information on solar energy will be held each day. These sessions are not mandatory and are only there for those who wish to get a deeper knowledge of solar energy. The sessions will be conducted online through a Microsoft Teams channel that you will be invited to. On May 22nd, your contest submissions will be due. You will email us the needed documents. We have also provided detailed instructions on how to submit all of the needed documents. During the week of May 25th to 29th, we require that you complete a set of psychological tests. This is an essential part of the contest process. All participants who want to be considered for awards must complete the tests. Now, we are hosting this contest throughout the entire summer, and therefore we will host several iterations. Once we have completed the last part of the contest, we will hold a virtual awards ceremony. Last semester, we held a pizza party for the awards ceremony. However, due to current circumstances, unfortunately, we will be unable to do so for this iteration of the contest. However, we still wish to have a virtual ceremony to recognize your work and award the winners. Though we have not determined the date of the ceremony at this time, we will be sure to notify you of the date as soon as we decide. Where will you participate in the contest? Well, as the contest is conducted entirely online, you will participate in the comfort of your own room. We are unable to provide laptops or other devices at this time, and thus it is assumed that you have the necessary equipment to complete the challenge. Next, I would like to go over the rules and instructions for participation. The rules of the contest are as follows. All participants must complete their design independently. You must not cheat and maintain your highest integrity. You must sign the integrity agreement and consent form. You have 1 week to complete your design. All deliverable packages submitted after the deadline are ineligible to compete. Judges may not participate in the contest. And you must complete all the psychological tasks in order to be eligible for consideration of judgment. We have developed several documents which will give you guidance on your design process. Each of these documents are available on our website, which you can find by following the link on this page. Here's an overview of the Energy 3D computer-aided design software. The software is free and was developed by Dr. Jay and his team at the Concord Consortium. Energy 3D is a simulation-based engineering tool for designing green buildings and power stations that harness renewable energy to achieve sustainable development. Users can quickly sketch up a realistic-looking structure and then evaluate its energy performance for any given day and location. The example shown here is an analysis of the energy performance of a house with solar panels on its rooftop. On the right side of the screen, you can see several other solar projects developed by Energy 3D. Additional information on Energy 3D is readily available on their website, the link to which can be found in the Energy 3D download instructions file that we have provided for you. Before you begin your design, you will need to set up the Energy 3D working environment. Please read the Energy 3D download instructions file and follow the instructions carefully in order to set up the working environment. Please note that if you have ever installed Energy 3D on your computer before, we ask that you please uninstall it first. Also, for Mac users, right-click the Energy 3D file and click Open for the first time you use it. After that, you can simply double-click the icon to open the application. Here's a quick flowchart for the design process. Please pause the video and take a moment to look over it. For a detailed step-by-step flowchart of how to complete the design challenge, please view and carefully read the Design Challenge Flowsheet document. After you have finished your design, we ask that you submit the following deliverable packages: the Energy 3D model, the log data, the design answer sheet, your design report, and the 2D sketch. Several things to note. Please do not save as your project. Just continue your design in one file. Once you have begun the design challenge, do not use Energy 3D for any other purposes. And again, for instructions on how to extract the needed data, please see the Data Submission Instruction file on our website. As I mentioned earlier, the contest is a part of a research project to discover how designers' cognition affects their ability to design in an engineering context. To study your cognition, we require that you take part in several psychological tests. Collaborating with John Clay from the Mechanisms of Cognition and Attention Lab in the University of Arkansas's Department of Psychological Science, we have organized the administration of 6 psychological tasks each of which will be completed online. After you have submitted your design, we will send you an instructional document on how to complete these tasks. Along with this, the nature of each task will be described to you before you take it. You must complete all of the tasks for your design to be considered in this contest. And lastly, evaluation and awarding. We will evaluate your submission based on this form. We take the Energy 3D model as 30%, the 2D sketch as 15%, the design answer sheet as 30%, and the design report as 25%. We list all of the judging criteria here. Please carefully read this sheet and make sure you understand how we evaluate your design and design documents before you send us your submission. The evaluation process then looks like this. Our judges review your final deliverable packages, the content of which receives a preliminary score from each judge. Scores are then averaged, and the averages are summed. Our judging panel convenes to determine the winners, after which our first, second, and third place winners will be announced. The winners will be announced through a virtual awards ceremony conducted through Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing your design. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us at the email seen on this slide. Good luck!